Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good day, everyone. Now, I want to review this project of mine. This is not like someone's project, it's my own. So if you interested with this, you can offer me, contact me in social media or DM me as such. Okay, let's go. So the first box, let's open the bigger one here. So we got a bonfire with, if you can see that, it's flickering, right? It's flickering. It uses a 3 battery, so it's 4 volt, I think, 4.5 volt. Okay, we took them aside, and this small diorama for, you know, sitting down. And what all this for? Okay, let's open the figure. Okay, let's put them aside. Ta-da! It's for my figure of my version of Goblin Slayer. So we have small pouch here that function. The other is not function. I use, this is not synthetic leather, okay? This is real leather. You can slide this over like so. Slide. Oops, what's that? Hey, it's kind of stuck. Even the knife, look, the knife, you can pull it off. Small knife. I use the body of McFarlane, Superman McFarlane, because it's I think it's very good in articulation. Even it's had wrist articulation like this, so look, so you can hold sword like this, little bit tilt like so. And it can be rotated a little. Let's open the second box. We had 3 extra weapon. We have torch here, so if it's dark you can put a torch. This is the head sculpt. And we got here the eye effect and pair of horns. Yes, the horn is not been broken yet, so it's still shaped as horn, like so. And if you want to add this eye effect, you can just slide it right in, like so. Oh, it's gorgeous. For the articulation in the neck, it can swivel front and back. So the Goblin Slayer can look up and look fully down, like so. It also have double joint, like so. I think it's the glue is breaking. I will repair that later. Let's just make him hold this a buckler or shield, small shield. Okay, you can just slide in, or you can, if you have tweezer, you can just pop the buckle off. Oh, I'm sorry about this. So we just kinda pull them like this, make it tight. Well, let's make it tighter. As you can see, it's fully functional. You can just take it off like that, or just hold it with your finger and then pull. So it's kind of tight. Okay, so the chainmail here, this is texture, elastic texture. And let's see what else we got. We got the salt, of course. You can just hold it like that, or you can just put it like that, and you have more accessories like so. And this, let's open this one. So if you want to make it sit down, it's like a mattress, like so. So you can get better picture or photo with that. And the back is fully functional. You can keep extra inside. And of course you got potion. We got two kind of potion here, is MP potion and HP. And you can store this at the back. Okay, let's store this at the back. Like so, you can still see the potion in there. And we also have three more pair of this hand. Four. This is the original hand, and 4 pair of these. Let's put this on him. Okay, first we give it loose. Like so. Stuck. And then bring it right back to tighten. Tighten like that, just like that. Same thing for the other side. I just make it tighten. Like that. So he's ready for his first adventure to the cave, where every single other adventure doesn't want to be, in the cave hunting goblins. Okay guys, if you want this project, you can, if you're interested, you can contact me in my social media. And I'll see you next time in the next video. And I hope all of you have a good day and toodaloo.